If you have a store of office supply and you supply material to your customer, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your office supply store business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding availability, price, order and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your office supply store business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web, and here I'm going to type a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply in which they welcome me, and with that they have provided me 3 action buttons: browse a product, place an order and talk to support. I'm going to click on browse a product. As soon as I have selected browse products, they have provided me a catalog link in which they have provided full range of their office supply, including stationery, tech, furniture and pantry item. With that also they have provided me an action button which says menu. As soon as I have selected the menu button, I got initial message again. This time I'm going to select place an order. To place a new order, I need to give few details like my product name. After product name, they want quantity. Now they want to know delivery address. I will enter that. As soon as they got every single detail, they have provided me a confirmation message in which they mention that we will confirm your order and send the invoice shortly. And with that, they have provided me an action button which says menu. I will select that. As soon as I have selected the menu button, I got initial message one more time. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much better, that too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are two options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are two options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, Setting and Get Help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on Add Flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for office supply store, I'm going to name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your office supply store business. After giving meaningful name, we need to know about 3 features which are given inside the flow: start, keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. As we got to know about all 3 features, let's get started building this flow. For that, I need to drag and drop media button message and connect with my flow start. After that, I'm going to browse my image over here. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to provide a welcome message. For that, I'm going to click on add content button and select the text plus button. I'm going to enter my message over here. Welcome to Supply Smart Board, your office supply partner on WhatsApp. We make orders, stationery, tech, and office essential fast, reliable, and hassle-free. Please choose an option to get started. For option, I'm going to provide few action button. For that, I'm going to click on add button option and enter my text. Browse product, place order, and talk to support. Now for each action button, I'm going to provide a separate message. Let's start with browse products. For that, I'm going to drag and drop text plus button, connect with my action button, and here I'm going to enter my message where I have provided catalog for our customers so that they can browse all of our products. And with that, I have also provided an action button which says menu. I'm going to connect this menu option with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on this menu button, they will get initial message again. Now let's move to our second action button, which is place an order. To place an order for my customer, I need to ask few questions to them. For that, I have drag and drop, ask question, connect with my action button, and here I'm going to enter my message. Place a new order, please share product name. I have selected my contact custom field as name and format as any. After knowing about name, I want to know about the quantity. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question, and enter my message. Please share quantity. I'm going to select my contact custom field as quantity and my format as any. After knowing about name and quantity, last thing I want to know about the address. For that, again I have dragged and drop ask question, connect with my previous question, and here I'm going to enter my message. Please share delivery address. I'm going to select my contact custom field as address and my format as any. Now after knowing each and every detail, I will send a confirmation message to my customer. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button, and enter my message. We will confirm your order and send invoice shortly. And with that, I have also provided an action button which says menu. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message again. With that, I'm going to move to my third action button, which is talk to support. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button, and enter my message where I have mentioned that need help choosing the right product and resolving an issue. Our team is available Monday to Saturday 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And with that, I have provided a menu button and I have already connected this menu button with our initial message. So yes, as you can see, I have entered all the design information that would be needed to run a chatbot for office supply store business. On to our last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.